This is our newly launched Benchtop Precious Metal Analyzer, Aurora. Today, we will use it to analyze two samples, a ring and a necklace. First, let's analyze the ring. Open the sample chamber. Place the sample on the detection window. And close the chamber door. Click to enter the analysis page. And we can see on the right side of the screen is the image displayed of the ring. Click Start. Test ends. We can see that the ring's primary concentration consists of copper, nickel, and zinc, with only 1.4% gold concentration. This indicates that it is a gold-plated ring. Next, let's test the necklace. Place the sample on the detection window, click Start. Test ends. We can see that the necklace has a gold concentration of 99.9%, which means it's pure gold. Aurora can determine the gold concentration of gold jewelry within seconds, and distinguish between authentic and fake gold. Welcome to contact us.